I'm Veni from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today I came up with some tips and tricks in Ludo King game. Now let's get into the video. Here some important tip is when you hold the die for more than 3 seconds, it has high chances for 1 and 6. And another one is all pieces should be always in that white position, because that white position has more chances for the highest numbers. If you have a chance to choose, always choose green color, because green has most winning chance. Then compare it to the other colors. Yellow is the last winning chance color. Try do not choose yellow all the time. And second winning chance for blue, and third is red, and the last one is yellow. You can observe one thing, that is I want 6 and I'm trying that holding the dice for more than 3 seconds, and the trick is worked here for me. Sometimes it is 1 also, so be careful before playing this trick. The opponent in the Ludo game is extremely fun, right? So try to kill the opponent as much as possible. That will gives you an extra dice chance, and also it helps you to win fastly. And the another one is always try to put all your pieces mostly at the white places. If you put all your pieces at the safest places, there must be a chance for less numbers. If you put all these in white places, there'd be a chance for higher numbers. Here you can see that if you hold the dice for 2 seconds, it has high chance for 2 and the number 5. If you hold the dice for 1 second, it has a chance for 4 and 3. So always try to choose those green color, because it has the most winning chance. Here me and the sky blue one both are choosing those some tips and tricks what I follow. We both are follow those tips, but finally the green one is winning. Why? Because green has higher chance of winning. And don't try to pick that yellow one. Yellow one has very less chance for winning, and it has very less chance for 6 and 5 numbers. And if you follow these tips, you definitely win the Ludo King. And now some cheating tip here. If you are playing online game with some friends and you are almost in the losing game position, you just turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi and again turn it on. All the pieces are get back into its normal state, so don't lose the game, right? This tip is cheating, but if you want to lose the game, right, then follow this. You can see that the green one is winning here. Both green and sky blue are same position, last position at winning. Both the sky blue one is almost winning position. Here you can observe that the sky blue one is almost winning. If you need more technical and gaming related information, please visit our site gossipfunda.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.